Amplifier bypass harness. Factory amplifier bypass harness for select Mitsubishi vehicles. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing wiring and connectors. Connects 99-5720 to premium. High-quality factory plug GXL wire provides flexibility and handles more power. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. Ford rear seat entertainment retention harness. Plugs into car harness at radio. Retains factory DVD player. 16-pin connector. High impact, OEM quality, ABS plastic molded connector for the perfect fit. Top reviews from the United States. Works in A04 Ford Explorer. Application in A04 Ford Explorer with the premium sound, CD changer and sub, and rear seat factory DVD. This worked perfectly for connecting the factory rear video to the aux-in port on the replacement stereo. I would buy this again. Work just the way it was described. Saved me a ton of work.